Hello small mobile fans, hope you are doing great. Thanks once again for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. One of you asked me to share my opinion about the Redmi Note 7, and so I have decided to point out 7 things to note before buying the Redmi Note 7. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Number 1. The independent Redmi brand. You will recall that Xiaomi launched the Pocophone F1 smartphone last year, and it was a huge success. People refer to it as the best affordable premium flagship smartphone. It took the spotlight away from the flagship killer OnePlus brand. Surprisingly, the Poco F1 took the second position in MKBHD's blind smartphone camera test that was majorly decided by smartphone users around the world. The Poco F1's success in the market was possible because Xiaomi launched the Pocophone as an independent or sub-brand instead of just making it another product line or model in the company. The Redmi product line was not making satisfactory success in the smartphone industry, so Xiaomi had to adopt the strategy they used for the Pocophone sub-brand and decided to give the Redmi brand independence, which frees the Redmi brand from any limitations, restrictions or permissions from the Xiaomi parent company, and will give the Redmi brand more opportunity to fully take control and do whatever it takes to make the Redmi brand upgrade to the standards of the market demands and not the standards that the Xiaomi brand demands. We can see the result of this independence with the famous Redmi Note 7, which could also be considered as the Pocophone F1 Lite version. Number 2. Design and color. You will agree with me that the Redmi Note 7 comes in elegant body design and colors. Starting from the front side, there's a dewdrop notch at the top and a big chin at the bottom, which looks ugly, but I love the curved corners at the edges of the screen. The notification LED is at the chin near the charging port, which looks odd but okay. The display size is 6.3 inches with a 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio and a 2340 by 1080p Full HD Plus resolution. Looking at the display quality, it looks good. At the right side is the volume and power buttons, while the left side houses the hybrid SIM card slot. Really don't know why an affordable smartphone like this will force you to make a hard choice in deciding between using a SIM card and the SD card or 2 SIMs with no SD card. At the top is a 3.5mm headphone jack with a noise cancelling microphone and also an IR blaster, which serves as an infrared remote control that comes in handy if you are too lazy to use the actual remote that comes with your smart TV or DVD player. Just joking, I see myself using this IR blaster feature a lot. At the bottom is the speaker, and it is very cool and great to see the USB Type-C port, which is very rare to have in an affordable smartphone like this. And there is the microphone. The whole phone is made of premium plastic material, and Redmi used the Corning 5th generation Gorilla Glass in the front and back side, which they claim has a King Kong quality protection due to its 4 times increased resistance. This is an innovation in the entry-level market because it is the first smartphone to have the 5th generation Corning Gorilla Glass protection in its price range. Nice job, Redmi. Still speaking on protection, Redmi also made the Note 7 to be both dust-proof and splash-proof, which is also the first innovation in its price range. This only protects the Redmi Note 7 from small amounts of dust or water splashes. The Redmi Note 7 has 3 eye-catching colors, which are the Fantasy or Neptune Blue with the purple and blue gradient, the Bright Black, which looks shiny, and the Twilight Gold with the purple and red gradient. These colors are really beautiful, and with the addition of the glass back, the Redmi Note 7 can be put in the premium looking smartphone category. Number 3. Camera. The major selling point of the Redmi Note 7 is its large 48MP AI camera. But first, let's talk about the selfie camera inside the dewdrop notch. It is a 13MP camera with AI technology for portrait mode, smart beauty, face ID, and according to reviews online, the 13MP selfie camera is the best among the previous Redmi models. Moving to the back dual cameras, we have the 5MP depth sensing AI camera for taking better portrait photos. What amazes everyone is the 48MP AI camera. It is a Samsung Gen 1 48MP camera image sensor with very small 0.8 microns pixel size that enables larger megapixel to fit in a slim smartphone body size. Although because the 48MP is huge, we can see a big camera bump at the back, which can be a little bit uncomfortable for some people that really cherish sleek design. Since this is a real 48MP camera image sensor, Images produced are very detailed, crisp, sharp, bright, and can be zoomed digitally without losing much details. Of course, it is not as good as optical zoom, but it's better than the digital zoom present in other smartphones with lower megapixels. In the auto mode of the camera app, you are restricted to only capturing 12 megapixel images, but you can make use of the full 40 megapixel image sensor by switching to the professional mode. There's actually not much difference between the quality of the 12 megapixel images and the 40 megapixel images at point and shoot, because you are still using the same camera image sensor. But the only advantage of the 40 megapixel images is that it can be zoomed digitally for more times without losing any significant details, and it takes up more storage space. So I advise you only capture 40 megapixel images when you really need the zooming advantage and have lots of space. Redmi promises to release an OTA update that has the 40 megapixel camera functions in the auto mode. Note that third-party camera apps will only be able to output 12 megapixel images of photos. You can check out this video for more camera samples. Link in the description. Number 4. Super Nice View. Redmi claims that the Note 7 has the same handheld Super Nice Scene algorithm as Xiaomi's Mi Mix 3. The Redmi Note 7 camera also supports high sensitivity mode, which combines 4 pixels into one large 1.6 micron pixel size and outputs a picture of 12 megapixel high quality night scenes. The Super Night View function is not available with the initial sales batch, but Redmi promises to release an OTA update to add this feature. Number 5. Performance. The Redmi Note 7 uses the best mid-range processor, which is the Snapdragon 660 octa-core AI enhanced processor. The Snapdragon 660 chipset is similar with the iSilicon Kirin 710 processor, but its slight advantage over the Kirin 710 is its better GPU performance. The higher 2.2 GHz frequency clock of the Snapdragon 660 makes the Redmi Note 7 to perform well in multitasking. The Redmi Note 7 comes in 3GB RAM with 32GB internal memory, or 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM with 64GB internal memory, so you can expect better multitasking with the 6GB RAM version. But all these features does not prevent the Redmi Note 7 from lagging once in a while due to slight optimization deficiency, because Redmi does not manufacture its own processor like Huawei does. Number 6. Battery and charging. The Redmi Note 7 is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, and from the reputation of Redmi devices, the battery performance is good, but compared to other Redmi devices, the Note 7 is the first to be equipped with the Snapdragon 660 processor, which consumes more battery. But with the battery efficient MIUI 10.2 optimization, the battery life will still be good. Redmi Note 7 comes with the standard fast charging 10W charger in the box, and it supports Quick Charge 4.0, which allows Redmi Note 7 to be charged with a high speed 18W charger. Unfortunately, you will have to buy the faster 18W charger separately to enjoy this high charging speed. Overall charging time will be above 2 hours with the standard 10W charger, while the 18W charger will give a charging time of above 1 hour from 0% to 100%. Number 7. Pricing. Like I explained earlier, one of the advantages of the Redmi being a sub-brand is that they can do whatever they want to achieve success without Xiaomi babysitting them. Redmi has decided to make the pricing of the Note 7 to be so affordable that the world is surprised and amazed on how low the price of the Redmi Note 7 because of its high specifications. In China, the 3GB RAM version is about $150, while the 4GB RAM is about $180, leaving the 6GB RAM version at roughly $200, which is cool. I guess Redmi brand is paying us to buy the Note 7 as a way to lure us to buy more Redmi smartphones in the future, and right now, it is working. Nice job, Redmi. The Redmi Note 7 is also 4G LTE enabled. Both SIM slots support 4G voice LTE network, but any card slot can be set as the main card to support 4G network. The Redmi Note 7 also supports lots of sensors for its price. I guess Redmi wants to share the fun of technology with us at a very low price. In conclusion, the Redmi Note 7 is a great smartphone to have, especially with its lower price to performance ratio. Redmi brand is really serious about taking over the mid-range market this year, and the 18-month warranty is also nice. I can't wait to see what their next smartphones for 2019 will look like. If you're a camera lover, the 48 megapixel camera of the Redmi Note 7 is simply the best for its price. I hope I have been able to convince you a little in helping you decide whether to buy the Redmi Note 7. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.